I've made over $500,000 of passive income online at the age of 21, and it wasn't through getting lucky. I simply just used YouTube. Now most of you probably still think that YouTube is just for watching entertainment content like MrBeast or procrastinating and watching self-improvement videos like this. But that's simply not true. You can actually make a lot of money on it, and you don't even have to show your face or make any videos yourself. Yes, you heard it right. When I tell you literally thousands of people are making bank with YouTube using this method, and I'm talking millions of dollars a year, you might not believe me. But in this video I will show you how exactly to do it. And it's actually insane. I personally went from making $4 a month, yes, just $4 a month at the age of 16 to making hundreds of thousands of dollars at the age of 21, which completely changed my life. I traveled to Dubai with my family, traveled to US, helped my parents financially, bought everything that I pretty much ever wanted, moved to a new apartment and became financially free. And it was all by using this exact method. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it happened overnight. I really put in the work and failed a lot too. But in the end, it was well worth it. And I truly believe that if you know how to start this, you can also actually change your life. Now, a lot of you are going to start questioning, how is this even possible? Well, there are actually two methods to make money on the platform. And it's either by starting a personal brand channel like this, or by starting a faceless YouTube channel, which I'm going to show you how to do. Now, those are two completely different things, so we kind of have to dive deep into them individually. A personal brand is a channel where there's a creator who shows his face, steps in front of a camera and records videos. Channels like MrBeast, Iman Gadzhi, Alex Hormozi, etc. Or well, me, you get the point. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't famous enough or I didn't have the skills to start a personal brand, so I kinda have to go with the broke option, which was starting a faceless YouTube channel. I'm talking about channels like this, or like this. Channels when you don't have to have a camera, any expensive equipment or anything like that. All you need is an internet connection, a phone or a laptop to get started. It's called YouTube automation, where you make faceless videos inside one topic or niche, upload them to the channel, get views, and make money from YouTube ads. I started this back in 2020 and I made over $127,000 of passive income in the first year with my channel. And it was all profit because I did everything myself. At the end of this video, I will even show you how you can do this without making any videos yourself by outsourcing all the work. So you don't even have to spend any time on it. Now, making over 6 figures in my first year was great and all, but unfortunately, I didn't start it even earlier, like in 2015, when there was even less competition and you can literally be making millions of dollars by just re-uploading other people's videos. Yes, you heard it right. Millions of dollars was what people were used to be getting by just re-uploading videos back in the day. And while I was still playing video games on my computer at 13, these people were making millions of dollars online. But even though it was easier before, at least it's not late to start it now, and you can still become a millionaire by doing this. And there are literally thousands of niches that you can start making money with. Niches like gaming, cooking, self-development, business, etc. I've even made a video with 50 best niches to get started with. And as I said, there's even a way to do it without making any videos yourself. That's what I've been doing in the past few years, which made me hundreds of thousands of dollars of passive income by just working a few hours a week. Let's take you into a deep dive into how I run my business now and reveal everything. First, let's have a look at one of my channels and at the YouTube dashboard. It might seem complicated at the beginning, but trust me, it's very simple. Let me explain. Here are all of my videos, sorted by most popular to least popular, and here's how I make money with them. Let's have a look at this video, for example, in the soccer niche, which got over 2.6 million views and generated me $3,866 of passive income, and it still keeps generating me money every single day, although I have uploaded it about 275 days ago. Imagine having 10, 20 or 100 videos like this on your channel, and that's how you make the real passive income, because they keep getting views every single day, although you uploaded them a very long time ago. Now you can kind of see that a lot of thumbnails have Messi or Ronaldo on them, and they are kind of funny, and that's what makes millions of people click on their videos, and that's how we get views and make the money. And if we go to this video, for example, you can see that it got 1.2 million views and made $1,600, which is pretty good. But the cool part is that I didn't even make these videos myself. I just hired a team of freelancers on Upwork.com, which is a freelancing platform, and now they make the videos for me. So all I do now is just come here and analyze my content every day, see what's working and what isn't. Then I have my team to create the videos and the thumbnails, upload them to the channel, and then I just go ahead and post them. And with a snap of my fingers, now we are on a different dashboard, and this will show you how fast this channel went from 0 to making $100 to $300 a day every single day. You can see that we started uploading in February last year, and in just 3 months we started getting hundreds of thousands of views a day in April, which started making us a minimum of $100 most of the days. But now I'm going to show you some of the more spicy stuff, which is how much money we made in one of the best months. Now I'm going to put this into April to show you how I was running it. Mind that there are seasons in soccer and some months you get more views than the others. Now I'm not going to show you the exact revenue amount for this month, I will let you guess it for yourself, but I will show you how much money we made on the record day. You can see that we got about 2 million views in April, and most of the days we were getting about 100 views a day. Apart from this, but of course we are not going to talk about those. As you can see on this specific date on April 29th, we got about 160,000 views, which made us over $290 of passive income in a single day. Now obviously I do not keep 100% of this money because I have a team that I have to pay that makes the videos for me. But just to give you an idea, this business model is one of the most profitable ones out there. So you still make lots of money anyways. And considering that I don't even make these videos myself or spend any time on it, makes it even better. And mind you, this is only one of my YouTube automation channels that I just started as a case study channel to show you guys that it is possible. And not only this already made me about $25,000, but I also recently got an offer of $35,000 for this channel, and I didn't even sell it. So I could have already made over $60,000 of passive income with this fun side hustle channel that I just started to show you guys that it is possible and to do a case study on. Pretty good for something that I just spent a few hours a week on. But to be honest with you though, it took a lot of work to get to this point. I had to work every single day since 2020, and on some of the days at the beginning when I didn't have the budget to outsource the work, I was literally working 16 hours a day. I even dropped out of university to go all in. I was literally waking up at 8 AM most of the days, working till 10 PM and just going to bed. And some days I literally forgot to eat. All I was doing is working and yeah, sometimes going to a bathroom. But that's it. And that's what most people on YouTube won't tell you, that it takes work to get to a point where you can make lots of passive income and change your life. But on the other hand, I really enjoyed it at the time. Looking back at it now, I was just working from home on something that I love doing, and it was making life-changing money. It even got me this golden play button for over 1 million subscribers on one of my other YouTube automation channels, which I'll be honest, feels really amazing. But most importantly, this business model completely changed my life for the better, so I definitely can't complain that I was working a lot in the past years, because it was well worth it. And especially now where I outsource all the work to Upwork, there is not much work to do at all. And it's one of the reasons that I started this channel now, to give back, to help you guys out, and why not, to also make a lot more money in the process. I'm not gonna lie, starting an online business now is very overhyped and there is a lot of misinformation out there. There are so many 16, 17 or 18-year-olds that flex their Lamborghinis in Dubai and sell you get-rich-quick schemes. And it's simply not true. You need to put in the work to succeed. But if you are someone that is not afraid of putting in the hard work in, then all you need is the right business model and the knowledge on how to start it. So you can avoid as many mistakes and shortcut the process to success as fast as that's possible. Because let's be honest, just hard work won't get you there. You need to work hard and smart at the same time. But if you do that, I promise you can also become successful. I am not special at all, so if I did it, I truly believe that a lot of you guys can do it too. And I want you guys to realize that everything that I've shown in this video happened in just a few years. So if you just pick the right business model, stay focused and work on it for 3, 5 or 7 years, you are pretty much guaranteed to succeed if you don't quit. In reality, if someone told me that I will be in this position 5 years ago, I would really think that they are crazy. So the best thing that you can do now is get started, fail, learn from your failures, keep going, and then you will succeed. This sounds so simple and cliche, but it is actually true. I've experienced it myself, and I know that if you do it, you can have it too. But anyways, if you are interested to learn how you can start this business model and succeed yourself, I've uploaded our course completely for free to help you guys out. So if you want to check it, just click here to watch it. It is completely free and it can really change your life. So just go here and I will see you there.